Hey guys, this is a review of the Canyon Hazard Gaming keyboard. Earlier I've done an unboxing of this keyboard and so far I'm using it for like 2 or 3 weeks and I haven't found anything bad about this keyboard. It's very comfortable, keys are very easy to press, spacebar even has like specific sounds same as shift and enter keys. All the keys are very good backlighted. Just the main thing is that you can't actually see the backlighting as good in the daylight. I will show an like more detailed backlighting review in the nighttime when you will be actually able to see it. So yeah, this keyboard actually came with additional wrist rest, which you can actually see right now. Just let me take a second and add it on. So this is how the keyboard looks with the additional wrist rest. It kinda adds comfort for you, at least for typing. I haven't found this too helpful for me at gaming because I am basically using my keyboard like this and not like this. So yeah, it's also very like kind of soft and comfortable. It really adds ergonomic to this keyboard, at least for people who likes wrist rests. So yeah, this keyboard also has very useful features, such as one of the two are key lock. If we my camera, no, it's too crappy, it won't focus. So basically if you press Fn, which is actually function key, plus F11, you will be able to lock your whole keyboard and any of the key presses won't be registered. So that's about the key lock. There's also Win lock key, which you can also see indicated right in this corner. Here's the indicator for Windows lock. So if you press function plus F12, you enable the Windows lock function and you can see that indicator just light up. And after this mode you can basically accidentally press Windows key when you're gaming and stuff, so that's kind of useful, I guess. I haven't found it as useful for me. So then we have these keys, which are not usual, and basically what these keys does, they have different amounts of like basically they just change the response time of the keyboard. So yeah, if you just enable the function plus F1, it's basically the lowest response time and you can type the least keys in that mode. But it's the only one mode for the keyboard which is kind of useful in gaming, because if you actually activate, for example, the second or the third one, your character moves like in series. It doesn't move like constantly when you hold the key down. It just moves like just dun 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 dun. So that's basically annoying. We also have lots of, not lots, but like basic multimedia keys. Function plus F4 is mute. Function plus F5 opens your music player. Function plus F6 plays and stops the music. Function plus F7 lowers the volume. Function plus F8 adds volume. Function plus 9 is home key. I think it opens the browser basically. Function plus F10 opens your default mail program or something like that. So that's basically all from the multimedia keys. On the left we also have a tab key, which isn't usual. So basically this tab key also has a gear and recycling icon, and if you press function and tab, It basically changes your keyboard color. There are only two options available of keyboard color, which, as I told, will show in the nighttime to see better them. So yeah, and the function plus escape has some twist to it, because it basically is all in one for adjusting the keyboard brightness and stuff, and it also enables the keyboard breathing mode, which I will also show in the nighttime when it will be able to see it better. So basically, in the second lighting function, all the keyboard is blue except for the WASD keys and the arrow keys. I think it's basically more of like a gaming mode, because you can see gaming keys better in this way. So that's basically it. And about the wrist rest now. Wrist rest is like very easy to attach and to remove, because it doesn't have like any permanent glue or anything to it. It just has some kind of sticky material which just sticks on like very I don't know how to tell it in English, but on very, like, let's say sleek surfaces, because it has to be very sleek. You can't place it on like wood or something and it won't stick. It sticks very good to glass. I accidentally put it the wrong side on my table and I had a bit of a struggle to remove it from the table. But that's basically it. So yeah, I will show backlighting functions more detailed in the nighttime, so see you then. This is how the keyboard looks at nighttime. You can see the backlighting. It's pretty good, I'd say, as for such priced keyboard. So first of all, I will show you the second option of backlighting, which we can activate by pressing function plus tab. So this is the second backlighting option, in which the whole keyboard is blue and the WASD and arrow keys are red. Although the indicator lights for caps, num and scroll and win lock doesn't change even when you change the color backlighting of the keyboard, they always stay orange. So that's kind of that. And if we press function plus escape, the keyboard activates in a briefing mode. This is how it looks with the blue backlighting. Now I will quickly change it to the orange one and see how it looks. And the keyboard is breathing. If we press function plus escape one more time, the keyboard will be off. At least the backlighting will be off. And if we press it one more time, backlighting will be at 50% brightness, I think. And if we, so it's not that bright, as you can see, and if we press it one more time, then the keyboard is on full brightness. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more cool videos from me.